Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
What? What? Why'd you brake check me? Why the f did you brake check me? You're the one that brake checked me. It's all on Dashcam. It's all on Dashcam. Look your tag number up on YouTube. No, I think I got someone that's drunk behind the wheel. Guy brake checked me and now follow me through my neighborhood, hurling insults at me, telling me he knows where I live and all kinds of shit. This is great. Two fruit cup.
That guy was like humping everybody, everything, because he went to the bar. He's like, "Yo, Melissa, whatever Michael wants, make it put it on the house."
It's called sled in a.
In the
What's
drawer?
it called? Sled in the drawer? No, sled in the
Cabinet?
sled in the cup. Sled into something. She's on Jeff Lewis's show. She said, "We don't listen to Andy Cohen's serious."
He's doing it. Oh my God, he's doing it. He's doing it. Oh my gosh, he actually did it. Ooh.
It's really 6K footage.
6K red bin tape. The red bin tapes.
The red band tapes.
Look, the footage is undeniable.
I'm sorry, did they cut in front of me to save 10 seconds?
Someone opening the door to their neighbor, handing them a car cover for their yellow Mercedes, and explaining, cats lived outdoors for 10,000 years, it's never going to stop, but I went to the store and I bought you some gorilla and this car cover. Use it every time you park.
Shit,
It's just
what
a
was
lot.
that? That was a car that just
I
crashed
also
right by
recognize
us.
this is
They
compatible
crashed.
In front of me and this frickin' rogue is trying to pass. Oh my god! Oh my god! Block the video. Holy shit.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.